goes the 40. Oh my gosh.
Cole Custer, nowhere to go there. Big fire. He had a big impact. Luckily, seeing him get out of the race car right now, because that was a big impact to that inside barrier. Visibility, and he's just trying to get checked up. But
there were cars in front of McDowell, but none were slowed dramatically from what we could see there.
I feel like we could get the Air Titans out there and probably help these guys restart, especially just on that straightaway. It's the only troublesome spot I see on the whole track. And it's not water standing. It's just like you said, Jeff, these cars that are 3 and 4 wide on these restarts in particular. Massive hit right there. It's Cole Custer. Man, he almost got him on his lid. That was a big hit.